Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add transparent text box in PDF using PDF element. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to comment menu and click the text box icon and click the mouse point and increase the text box size. Right click on the text box, type your text and go to right side and click the arrow. Increase the font size. Press the escape. Give the text box background color. Increase the font size. And go to opacity and reduce the opacity. Change the border color. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.